Hi guys, welcome to this brand new video. It's CamiForex here. So in today's video, I'm going to be introducing to you a hybrid CFD broker which you can use in trading both currency pairs and crypto synthetics pairs. I know this is strange to you, right? So let us get into the video. Let me explain to you what this is all about. So before I get in, there's one thing I want you to know. You are going to be given $30 no deposit bonus on your sign up, which means you don't need capital again to trade or to deposit any money. Just sign up and get the $30 no deposit bonus and start trading. And the best part is that you can withdraw the profit that you make. So let us get in, guys. So to begin with, click on the link in the description of this video right below this video and sign up. Once you sign up, go to your Gmail and verify your email. Once you verify your email, come back here. The next important thing for you to do is to do your KYC. So for you to have this no deposit bonus that you are now seeing on my screen, you need to have a verified account. As you can see, my account is verified, right? When I hover my mouse so you can see that my account is verified. So if I go to the settings, which is where you should go to, you are going to be seeing my account. This is where my account details are: account verification, documents, crypto wallets, fiat wallet, and security. So to begin with, you have to verify your account by clicking here where you have verification, and then make sure you have your ID card, passport, or driver's license, or any of the valid document that identify you to be able to verify your account with them. So once your account is verified, come back here and go to the dashboard. So I'm going to be taking this step by step, so make sure that you don't miss any step, because every step of the way is an amazing experience with this CFD broker. All account types are CEN accounts. What do I mean by CEN? CEN stands for Electronic Communication Network. This is the entire currency market whereby all the currencies are being traded. So it gives you direct access to the market. In this case, you have direct market price. Unlike other brokers whereby you are going to be having a price difference. If you go to your chart, you discover that this broker has price got to this level and this other broker has price didn't get certain level. So with an ECN account, you have nothing to bother or worry about, which is very important. So to create an account, you just need to go under trading account. Once you are on trading account, you can see my accounts here. Once you are on trading account, there is a live and demo here. So when you see this blue icon on the live, it means you are on the live section, and when you see it on the demo, it means you are on the demo section. So let me go to live and select add new account, which is the plus sign. Once you are on the plus sign, it's going to bring you to where you select your account type. Is it a live or a demo? Select your platform. Do you like to choose the MT4 or MT5? Then from here, you now have the different account types, but all these account types are ECN account. So these are the account types here. You have standard, you have ECN, you have mini, and you have pro. So according to your trading professionality, you can then select which account size you think that suits you. For instance, with standards, you can deposit minimum of $5 and you have 100,000 contract size. You have dynamic leverage of up to 1:1000 based on volume spread from 10 points. Now, if you are a trader, I believe you already know what this really stands for, right? But I'm going to explain further because I love you, my followers. So I would like you to have a full detailed understanding about such a hybrid CFD broker. So the next one we have here is the ECN account, still having a minimum of $5 deposit. Remember, if you're a good trader, at least $5 is good. So there's nothing like depositing $1 because you cannot deposit $1 even if you want to trade. You cannot trade the $1. It is very difficult. So $5 is a fair try because you can use micro lot size on it. So once you select your account type that you want, you come down here, you select the leverage. Talking about leverage, their maximum leverage is 1:1000. And why is it 1:1000? Is it a favorite thing for a trader? Yes, I'm going to explain this to you in details. Remember, the bigger your leverage, the bigger the amount of trades you can take. So if you have an account whereby you deposit $100, if your leverage is like 1:500, you will hardly open a lot size of one standard lot size on that account. But if you have a leverage of 1:2000, what happens is that your account is exposed to high risk. you will be able to open a trade of one lot size in your $100 account, as well as if the market just goes against negative 10 pips, the account is gone. What is leverage? When you talk about 1:100, it means for every $1 you have, you are having $100. It's considered that you have $100. So if a broker is giving you a leverage of 1:1000, it means for every $1 that you have, you are having 1000 in your account when you want to enter a trade. So if you have $100 in your account, it is going to be considered as 100 times 1000, which will be giving you 100,000. And that is why you will be able to open some certain trades. I wouldn't want to go into the lectures of leverage and so on, but I believe you've understood. Now, to understand this more, compare the leverage of citizens in the US and any other part of the world, you will discover that the maximum leverage they can have in the US is about 1:50 to 1:100, which means they know that the more you can open big lot sizes, the more you can risk losing all of your money, which is why FXGT is giving you the rightful leverage for you to trade. It is a fair balance. So once you are now here, you click on leverage, you select your leverage, and you proceed. So once you proceed, you are going to be having an account. So I'm not going to put in an account since I already have an account. The next important thing which I didn't talk about also is the currency. Guys, have you ever imagined trading and seeing your currency in USDT or Bitcoin? But you are trading, but let's say currency pairs and the rest. FXGT is giving you that opportunity. So look at right here. You can see that here I have USDT to select as my account currency. Currently, the trades that I've been taking for the past 1 week, I took them in USDT account. Yes, I'm going to put the screenshot on the screen for you to see them. It's really amazing. You know how much USDT is now in the currency in most African countries here, right? So let us proceed, guys. One of the most important thing is their spread. You know, when you are trading, spread is the most important thing for you to stay in profit. Now, if you do not understand what a spread is, when you go to your MT4 or MT5, if you look at the chart of your MT4 and MT5, you will see a gap, a two line. One is up, one is down. So those are the ARKs and the bid price. So the distance between the ARKs and the bid price is considered as spread. Now this distance is measured in pips. So the wider it is, it means if you enter a trade, you are going to be in negative automatically. Why? Because if you enter, you have to cover up the gap in between them before you start seeing profit. But a broker with a tighter spread means that if you enter a trade, it won't take even long for you to start seeing profit. So they have raw spread as well as they also have very, very tight spread. So guys, this is one of the most amazing things that you need to look into any CFD broker that you want to use to trade with, and FXGT is giving you that opportunity. So the crypto strength of FXGT is also very amazing. It gives you the opportunity to be able to trade in different currencies and commodities, and at the same time store your money in different currency or cryptocurrency of your choosing. As you can see on my screen right here, you can see that we have Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, Euro, dollar, South African rands, and Cardano. So these are also very important for you because you know that saving your money or having your money in certain currency or cryptocurrency gives it more value, as the value of cryptocurrency in particular keeps rising every day. Your balance also keeps increasing. Isn't that sweet? So the next thing you need to know is the crypto synthetic side of FXGT. So do you know that you can now trade cryptocurrency as a synthetic pair? Yes, many of you may not have heard about this yet, but I am bringing it to you today. You can now trade synthetic crypto. Yes guys, it's very, very easy with FXGT. One of the most important things is payout. Remember, once you've made money, you have to catch it out and enjoy it. So FXGT is giving you the opportunity to have instant withdrawal anytime you need to catch out your money, be it in crypto or be it in fiat. You are going to be withdrawing your money. So just like you deposit using either fiat or crypto, if I go to deposit, you are going to see that We have different deposit method here for a currency account. This is a dollar account, guys. You have different deposit method here. And if we go to a crypto account, you are going to see that we have crypto deposit method, which we are going to be seeing right away. So you can see that you can deposit with Binance Pay, as well as you can deposit with transfer from your crypto wallet directly. How sweet is this, guys? So you can easily move money from your Binance right into your trading account without any delays. And using Binance gives you the confidence and security that you need, because Binance Pay is one of the most secure payment gateway that you can have out there when it comes to crypto payment online. So feel safe in using FXGT. Now, talking about trading platform, you can choose to trade with your smartphone or with your computer if you choose. So going to their platforms up here, you can get an MT5 for your Android phone as well as an MT5 for your desktop. You can get the web version, you can get it for Mac, you can get it for iOS. So let us go and download the one for Windows. You can see that this is mine and it has already downloaded. So if I click here, this is it here. So I can just go ahead and install this into my PC and I'll start trading with it. So you don't have any limitations or anything limiting you. Your only limit may be your skills. So next thing is support system. Oh, this is top notch. You know, there is this problem whereby when you have a challenge and you reach out to a support system of a certain CFD broker and you find out that they cannot answer you on time, but FXGT is giving you 24/7 support system. So anytime you have any challenge, you can reach out to their support system and they're going to reach out to you. All it takes is just to come right down here and you click on the text message and you put in your name and your email and you start a live chat. It is as easy as that, guys. So you don't have anything holding you back. Every support you need, you are going to be having it at every step of the way. So language is not also a barrier, as you are going to be having a multilingual support system. Whether you speak French, whether you speak Spanish, you are going to be having a support system which will attend to you in the language you best understand. And one important thing, what if I have to verify my account and it takes me 24 hours or more? Guys, it is AI automated. So AI have been trained to be able to identify a fake document and a real document, a real human and a fake human. So you don't have nothing to worry, as your verification is almost instant as it is automated by the AI verification system of FXGT. So once you do your verification, you are going to be verified right the way. And lastly, guys, if you have any more challenge with FXGT, the best place which I will recommend to you to go to is you look at the frequently asked questions here. You can see if you have a problem regarding account opening, KYC documents, account type, transactions, trading platform, trading and promotional bonuses, you can come right down here to the footer level of their page, or their web page, and you will be able to see these details here. So they have other suitable promotions, especially if you want to be an affiliate with them. They have awesome opportunities for those who want to work with them. The next thing is you can come up here, you read about their company, about FXGT, security of funds, promotions, trader insights, and their legal information, terms and conditions, risk disclosure, privacy policies, the AML and KYC policies, and the rest, guys. So it is all left for you to go through everything. Make sure that you create an account below. Start with the no deposit bonus, which is the most important thing for you to begin with. Other promotions and incentives are alongside. You can go ahead and read it at the footer here, whereby you will see almost everything that you need. Make sure you use a link in the description of this video, because I'm going to be trading alongside with you, because it's an amazing experience to know that there is a hybrid CFD broker out there which you can trade synthetic crypto as well as trade currencies and other commodities. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to create your account and see you in my next video. Love you all. Peace.